Chapter 21. The Challenge. Sugriva was glad to have Ram's support. However, he knew his brother Vali was a formidable warrior, near undefeatable in battle. Although the legend of Lord Ram had spread far and wide, Sugriva had no idea how true the feats mentioned were. The Monkey King related many tales of Vali's prowess in battle to the brothers. Sensing Sugriva's unease, Lakshmana asked what Ram could do to settle his nerves. Sugriva pointed to a hole in the mighty sal tree that Vali had made with a single shot. If Ram could split any of these trees, I would be convinced of his power. Without hesitation, Ram released a single arrow which split 7 trees at once and shattered the boulder behind them. The exiled Monkey King was stunned and overjoyed. In now confident Sugriva planned their next move. The next day, Sugriva went to the gates of Kishkinda and bellowed out a challenge to Vali. Ram, still restricted by the terms of his exile to not enter the bounds of any city, stood secluded in the forest some distance away. Vali, hearing the challenge, charged through the gate to confront Sugriva. The brothers engaged in a frenzied battle, but once more Sugriva was overpowered and fled for his life. Sugriva met Ram in the forest. "Why did you not assist me? I was meant to draw him out, and you were meant to eliminate him." "Brother, I apologize," replied Ram. "When you were in battle with Vali, I could not tell you apart, and did not want to accidentally strike you instead." Hanuman came up with a plan. He collected flowers from the area and created a garland for Sugriva. "Now, when you are in battle with your brother, Sri Ram would be able to tell you apart." Sugriva returned to the gates of Kishkinda once more, and again bellowed a challenge to Vali. Again, Vali immediately prepared himself to go battle his brother, but he was stopped by his wife Tara. "Something is wrong. Why has Sugriva returned so soon? Our spies have reported that your brother may be working with the exiled Prince of Ayodhya. I do not think you should go." Vali calmed his queen. "Do not fear for me. I cannot back down from a challenge. The Prince of Ayodhya is a man of honor. I have no quarrel with him and have nothing to fear. I will end the threat of my brother once and for all." Once more, Vali engaged with his brother in battle, and once more, aided by Lord Indra's necklace, he quickly gained the upper hand. But to his shock, he felt an arrow strike his body with lethal accuracy. He looked at the distance and saw Lord Ram standing with bow in hand. Vali was shocked as he felt his life slipping away. "Why, Lord Ram? My dispute with my brother had nothing to do with you. Why have you struck me down in such a dishonorable manner?"
Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.